to the city streets, we began to feel the fire.
Alright, welcome back to Funny Computer Hub. So in this video I'm going to show you how to shorten your link. Okay, shortening your link is just the process of converting long web address, a long link, a link that is very long. Okay, you short it and make the link to be just short, okay, so that it can be managed easily, and again it will look more professional. And not just that, one of the reasons why we do that is it helps us to track. Okay, for anyone that clicks the link, the person will be tracked. You will be able to know the country of the phone used and a lot of things. Okay, so there are a lot of websites that you can use to shorten your long link. Something like we have Bit3, we have tinyurl, we have the brandway. So in this video I want to show you how to shorten your link, your long link with tinyurl. Just go over to your Google and type in, just go over to your Google and you can just type tinyurl. I'm going to just check the link on the description below. I'm going to see the link there, tinyurl.com. It's gonna open the website. Okay, so this is the website. Click on accept. I have not created any accounts on this website, but I'm going to do that all together with you. So you have to click here, we create an account. If I have an account already, then I'll have to click on sign in, but when I don't have an account, I have to click on create account. Okay, then enter my name, my email, my password. Let me enter my password. Okay, then I click on create account. Okay, so what is showing us, it says pro. If we want to be a pro, we have to subscribe a pro version. We have to be paying $9 plus 99 cents a monthly. Okay, so coming down here you can see the customs. There are a lot of benefits for it. So once you come here, you can be able to read it. Okay, able to read it there. But now we're going to use the free version. We have the free version here. We have custom, you need a larger limit, dedicated customers, and a lot of things here. Okay, for this bulk is our bulk brand for users who need to generate a tons of short term rebranding link to support their marketing operations. Okay, so this is just for the pro. It's a link analysis. You're going to know more about link analysis. Okay, the users that click the link, okay, where they are coming from. If for example now a client from, so a prospect from United Kingdom clicked your link, you're going to see it from India, Ghana, a lot of people. Okay, anyone that click your link, you'll be able to track it and know, okay, these are the countries that clicked your link and all that. Okay, so these are the benefits if you actually go for pro. Okay, but obviously we are going for free version. Free version is over. We are not going to have much, we're not going to do much here. It's just to shorten the, we have to click select. It says verify your email address before proceeding. Then I have to check my email to verify my email address. I have to check my email. I have not received. Let me check again. Okay, if you did not receive the email, check your spam. Okay, or click request another. Let me check my spam. I think it's here. You can see it's here. and I click on it, then click on verify email address. So it's verifying. Okay, can you see that shows successfully verified? So guys, that is it. Click on plan options. We are choosing. Okay, so this is my current subscription, right? I just select free subscription. Okay, so let's just move on now. So I click on home. Can you see it now asks me to enter my long link here? So that link that is very long, that you want to reduce the size, you want to shorten it, you have to enter it here. So let me get my link. Where is it? Let me get my link. I want to shorten this link. I have to copy it, come here, click it, paste it here. Then it will now ask me to customize my link. Okay, if I click on this arrow now, if I have a domain name, I can use it to customize. If I click on add domain name, it will ask me domain name management, add branded domain, purchase domain, set up your own domain, set up your own subdomain. Okay, you do not have any branded domain, create one using the options above. Let me just explain this. I have a domain name, like if you are being this training, when we do it, Google My Business, my domain name is fannyglobal.com, right? That is my website address, fannyglobal.com. So if I decided to customize this URL with my domain name, it's obvious that fannyglobal.com will be the first thing that is going to be there, and then with other indirectories. Okay, but being that fannyglobal.com is already occupied, okay, if you just search it on Google now, if you just search the name on Google, if you just search it on Google, you're going to see that it is not empty. Fanny Global, it is not empty. There's a website in it, okay. But if I decide to use this my domain name, it's over that this website will not be visible again, okay, because there is no way I will attach it to a link and the same time it will still be operating as my direct website, so it can't work. So it's just that if I want to use a domain name, what we mean by using a domain name, using a customized domain name, is that, like now my brand name is Fanny, right? Okay, instead of me to just come here, if I just go back now, this thing will, if I do not use this custom add domain name, what you're going to see here is this tinyurl.com. okay, so it's obvious that this tinyurl.com will be here, and then with the suffix that I'm going to add, okay, people that know about tinyurl are going to know that, okay, this link is actually shortened using tinyurl, okay. But if you don't want people to see tinyurl at all in your link, then you want it to be customized, you want the link to bear your name, your brand name and all that, that is why you have to add a domain name, which that you have to create a domain name, okay, buy a domain name. There are a lot of sources where you can buy a domain name, okay. But if you don't have money to spend and all that, you can still use the free one. It's obvious we are using a free version, right? So that is it. I have to enter the long link again, then leave this thing as it were here, then I come here, enter my alias. I'll say, okay, let it be Fanny Digital. Remember, this is my long URL, fannyglobal.com/courses/digital skills training 2025. Can you see? But I want it to be short, to understand that it will just be this name and then this name. So once I've written down the arrows, I'm going to click on shorten URL. Can you see now? This is my long URL. Can you see? This is the tiny URL. Can you see now? Can you see? This is the shorten URL. Can you see now? It has combined to two. Okay, it has actually combined to two. I can decide to copy now. I can decide to copy it and paste it wherever I want to paste it. Okay, so that is it. That is actually how to shorten the URL. I'm not going to test this thing because this URL is not really visible. It's not really active, guys. It's not active. Even the long one is not active. Let's just test it, but it's not active. Okay, can you see? Nothing is here. Okay, but there is this URL I'm going to use now. Let me use this URL. My Facebook page as an example. Let me use my Facebook page. I'll go over to search, find a computer hub, then I'll click on. Okay, so this is the page. Can you see the page? This is my Facebook page link. Is very long, right? I click here to copy the link. Okay, so if I come over to my Google or wherever and paste the link, this is the long link. Can you see? It will still open up my Facebook page. Can you see now? Okay, but let me go over to tinyurl. Let me go over to tinyurl and then paste it. Okay, and then shorten the link. It's actually wasting time. Okay, let me click it here and paste it. This is the long URL. That is my Facebook page link. Okay, then I will now say, okay, I want it to be tinyurl.com/fanic computer up. Fanic computer. I think this thing should be small letter throughout, but let me just leave it the other way. It will still adjust it. So I click on shorten URL. Can you see what we have here? Can you see this is the long URL? This is the tiny URL. Can you see? It actually add it in a way that it will be more visible. Fanic computer up. So if I can decide to share this by using this button. I decide to share to my friends, share to Facebook, share to anyone, maybe on WhatsApp. Okay, or even on my WhatsApp status. I can decide to select WhatsApp. I'll share it to my WhatsApp status, or even to somebody. I can decide to select who to share it to, but I want it to be on my WhatsApp status, so I just select WhatsApp status and I'll share it to my WhatsApp status. Can you see? Share tiny URL on WhatsApp. I can decide to leave it this way. So can you see it's still displaying my page? Can you see now? Okay, so I can just leave it that way. So what I'm trying to say is this: whether you shorten the link, it will still direct users to the website. Okay, so either I use the long link or I use the short link. So if I just copy it, click to copy, I can go over to Google, and then okay, this is my Facebook. Go over to Google and then paste the link. Can you see it's very short? Can you see very short? Okay, so it's just me that added all these long things that even made it to be more longer. Okay, I can decide to make it to be just tinyurl/fanic only. Okay, then it will still lead me to that my Facebook page. Can you see now? So this is exactly how to shorten your link. I believe you are getting lots of value from this training. Let me hear from you. Training has been going on. You can comment it down on the comment section, or you can send me a message that I will be encouraged that you are getting more value from this training. Alright, I'll see you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload an amazing video, you will be notified.